Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
Oh, that's class.
What a wanker. You're brilliant. Oh, I love it. Good. Oh, that's my day.
Under the title Flicks on the Farm. This is excellent. You're going to love this. Here is part one.
Chris Evans and Arnaud de Armas, hello. Congratulations on the release of The Grey Man. The reaction has been
sir?
Alright.
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Good. So you were speeding.
70, yeah. I'm
70 what?
79.
So you're speeding.
10 plus 2.
It's not 10 plus 2. Where have you heard that?
It's all been like that all the time.
Whereabouts?
That's on the government.
Able to show me where the Nottinghamshire Police directive states that you can go 79 miles an hour on the motorway?
Probably no. I will probably.
Just give me 2 secs.
Yeah.
Yes, mate. Stand by. I'll get Adam just to quickly point to point. Yeah.
Yeah. I understand that. Well, the speed limit says 76, and it's normally 70. I don't agree that I was that long in the lane 3. Yes, I probably was a little bit. I don't agree that I was that long in the lane 3. Yes, I probably was a little bit longer than I would normally be there, but I normally tend to move on the left hand side. Probably on this occasion, yes, I was a little bit longer than I should have been, but I'm not that person that would stay in lane 3 or lane 4 when it's not necessary.
But you did?
I did in this case, and then I don't know why I stayed that long, to be honest. So.
Okay, I don't either.
Okay.
Is this your car?
Yes.
Whereabouts are you going?
Going to home. Drop me off the car so that I can go to work.
Where's home?
Mansfield.
Drive safely.
Yes, sir.
Drive properly.
Yes.
Don't drive like an idiot. Don't
I'm
speed.
not.
Don't drive in lane 3 and 4 or even lane 2 if you don't need to.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll take your advice, sir.
Right,
have a good day.
Take care.
You too. Thank you.